now in Kalabaka in central Greece. Behind me is one of the natural rock foundation. There is total 6 monasteries on top of 24 rock formations, and behind me is St. Nicholas. So we went up yesterday. Today we are going up to Meteora. It's really an amazing sight here. The view is just amazingly gorgeous. One of the most beautiful places I've ever been. Check it out. Hi, I'm now in the Great Meteora. This is a rock formation in central Greece, hosting one of the world's largest and most precipitously built complexes of Eastern Orthodox monasteries. Second in importance only to Mount Athos. The 6 monasteries are built on an immense natural pillar and hue-like rounded boulders that dominates the local area called Kalabaka. Between the 13th and 14th century, the 24 monasteries were established atop the rocks. Meteora is located near the town of Kalabaka in Greece at the northwestern edge of the plain of Thessaly, near Pinos River and Pindus Mountains.